Hello, I'm Mike from the Warranty Department at FeraDyne Outdoors, and I'm going to walk you through submitting an RMA request. Let's start by opening a web browser. You can use Google, Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whatever you're used to, and then navigate to the FeraDyne website. You'll find that at www.feradyne.com. Under the Contact menu, click on Warranty Claims. If you're a dealer, you can click on the top option. For covert cameras, pick the middle option. All other FeraDyne brand claims, pick the third option, and we're going to do that. A form will pop up, fill in your name and email address, and then click Submit. You'll see a message that says a link was sent to your email address. Now you can click Close and navigate to your email and find the system email that was just sent to your inbox. It'll be from rma@feradyne.com. Open the email and find the link in the body of the email that says Start Return. Click on that and you'll be taken to the Customer Warranty Return page. Fill out your shipping address along with where you purchased the item and click Next. Now you'll see the return policies. I recommend reading this short list. It'll answer the most frequently asked questions about returns. When you're finished, click Agree and Submit. Now we're going to add your first item. Click the Add Item button, and that'll bring up an active search box. You do not need to hit Enter to see results. As you type, the results appear below. In this example, I'll type smoke. We're going to return the Smoke Max Buckle Foldback, and you'll see it at the bottom of the page there. If you type in the part number, that will bring up your item immediately. Once your item appears, click on it and the Return Item Details page pops up, and there you fill in all the fields along with the description of the problem. Simple is best when describing the issue. Photos are uploaded one at a time. To upload a photo, click on the Choose File button. Navigate to the photo that you want to upload from your device and click one time to highlight it. Then click Open. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, it may take a few seconds for the photo to upload and appear on the page. Please be patient. Once the first photo appears, you can add more photos if necessary. The process is the same for adding your proof of purchase photo. Make sure the date is visible on the receipt photo, and once all your photos are uploaded, click Submit. If you have another item to add, click the Add Item button and repeat the process. When you are finished adding items, click on the blue Next button. If you need to add any additional email addresses, you can also do that right here. When you're finished, click Submit. You'll see a message that confirms the request has been submitted for review. You'll also get another system email telling you that your RMA warranty claim has been submitted for review and not to return anything yet. Now you're done submitting your RMA request. You'll be notified by email once your request has been reviewed or if more information is needed. I hope this was helpful and thank you very much for your business.